Hi, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Birkin 25 in the colour Chai, Togo leather with gold hardware. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. Here she is. This is the Birkin 25 in Chai, Togo leather with gold hardware. And if you haven't already seen it, we do have a video on the Mini Kelly in Epsom Chai, and maybe you'll be able to see the slight difference of colours between the two on the different videos. The link for that will be down below. So when I first saw the colour Chai and we had it in the Mini Kelly, I was really excited because it was the first Chai bag that we'd had come in. And although I really liked it, I am a person who loves gold hardware. So I really did want to see it with the gold hardware in comparison to the palladium hardware. And here we have it right now in this Birkin 25. And I do have to say, I really feel that the gold hardware pops and really sets this chai colour off so well. Another thing that I have noticed about this chai colour is that it literally goes with everything. It's such a good neutral colour. I think I said before in the other video that this does it's just so versatile. But honestly, in seeing it with the Togo and the gold hardware, it's really reinforced my view on this particular colour of bag. It's not too pale that it washes out and gets hidden by the outfit that you're wearing, and it's not too dark that it overpowers and becomes a statement piece. This is a very chic and classy colour that Hermes have outdone themselves with in this particular colour. I absolutely love it. When I was looking at this bag, I paired it with pinks, greens, neutrals, darks. I mean, I'm wearing black today and I could very easily wear it with black. It's just one of those colours that absolutely goes with everything. I'm going to show you some pictures of the bag in different lights now, and you really will be able to see just how much of a chameleon colour this bag is. It really is in the Togo, a slightly different colour to the Epsom, which does happen with Hermes leathers and colours. That, you know, when you see it on one leather, it looks quite different to another. And on the Togo that we have here, and it really has a warm feel and a hint more of brown in the undertones than it did on the Epsom. The chai is a colour that you can bring from spring, summer, autumn and winter. It will go through all seasons with your wardrobe and any colour scheme that you decide to wear, and it really has garnered a lot of attention, so much so that this bag sold in minutes when we got it here in Love Luxury. Chai is a new colour for 2022, and who's to say whether we're going to be seeing it in future collections? We don't know. I think though that this should be a colour that Hermes keep on for the long run because it really is so versatile. Here we have the chai colour next to Mauve Sylvester. Chai and another 2022 colour which is Gris Maya. Chai and Blue Royale, also a 2022 colour. Chai and Black. Chai, Green Maya and Blue Royale, all 2022 colours. Chai and Gold. Don't forget that if you're enjoying the video so far to hit subscribe, like and comment. So far I've only seen the chai in smaller bags. I've yet to see it in a larger bag, and I'm not sure how I actually would feel about this colour in a larger bag. I do think that it suits a smaller model, and I haven't seen anything yet that may change my mind, but for me personally, I do feel that this is a very good colour for small bags, and like I said, is uber versatile. This Chai Birkin 25 comes with the matching stitching that you can see is very closely knit with the colour of the leather. But the resin on the top of the bag, as you can see, is a lot darker, and it does create a lovely contrast with the bag. I feel like if the resin was the same colour, the bag just wouldn't pop as much. So in my opinion, I actually really like the contrasting resin on the top of the bag. So my synopsis of the chai colour in the Togo is that it really is a chameleon colour. It does change in the light, and in different lights will look either lighter, darker, more pale, or more deep toned, and that it really does go with so many different colours, and you literally can match it with any outfit that you have. This is a very good neutral that I hope Hermes keep around for the long run. Thank you so much for joining us here today at Love Luxury and looking at our beautiful Birkin 25 in the colour chai. We hope that you enjoyed the video and found it informative. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. And I will add a link to the mini Kelly in the colour chai down below.